How to pair your mobile phone for hands-free disarming. In this video, you'll learn how to pair your mobile phone to your ProSeries control panel. This lets you perform hands-free disarming. From the home screen, select the menu option. Scroll until you see Settings. Select User Management. Enter your user code. Select the user you want to pair to. Let's use Dad. Scroll down until you see Bluetooth Disarm. Select Bluetooth Disarm. Now we're ready to set up pairing of the device. Put your phone in Bluetooth pairing mode. Indicate on the panel that you want to pair. Hit Scan. On the bottom, the ProSeries control panel pops up as a pairing option. Select ProSeries. It will show that it's trying to pair with the control panel. You'll get the code on both devices, indicating that this passkey is the same for both. Hit Pair to accept. Press OK on the phone and pair on the panel. That's all there is to it. Your phone is paired to the control panel. Now when you arm your system in the away mode and return with your phone, the system will turn off automatically when you enter the front door.